anyways, you put the right foot out, and your left and back of the right.
Hey, meathead. What are you trying to prove?
I'm a bite dog, a pointer, that's what. I'm practicing.
You a bite dog? A pointer? Who are you trying to kid?
Well, now I am too. I hunt birds and rabbits and stuff like that there. Here, look at me point.
You a bite dog? I'm a bite. Bet you couldn't hunt me.
Well, now I dare say I could.
Okay, wise guy. Okay, wise guy. Count up to 10 and I'll go hide.
8, 14, 3, 40, 12, 7, 2, 9, 6, 20, 10. Here I come, ready or not.
Okay, so you found me.
I told you I could do it. See, I could do it. I'm a pointer and I could do it.
All right. Try it again.
7, 3, 6, 9, 12, 4, 10. Here I come. Hick.